Is it on?
Yep.
Is that fitting there?
It might do. Probably fall out. Just stick it outside of your seat.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Right, we're on 10 and 30. So 10 seconds.
Neat tidy sash.
Hit it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Long straight into square 90 right. Then immediate square 90 right. So you've got immediate square 90 right here. Fast straight into square 90 left. Into square 90 left. Square 90 left. Then big skids to the right. Hairpin right. Keep left. Whoa. Keep right. Yep. Into left. Into 90 right. Then immediate 90 left. Fast straight to chicane left. It's very slippy. Hairpin right to chicane. 90 left. Fast. Slight left. So this is very caution. A slight right into 90 left. Double caution. Slippy. Don't cut. 90 left. Stay left tunnel. Straight through tunnel. Into immediate left. Straight into 30 right. Then into 90 left. Square 90 left. Straight into very slight right. So it's slight left. Into slight left. 45 left. To 45 right, left chicane. Fast straight, chicane, left right. Yeah, this way. Yeah, left. This side. So fast left, keep left. So 45 left. Then chicane right, white bales. Yeah. This way. So going a long hairpin left. Long hairpin left. Opens right into left. Hairpin right, intermediate hairpin left. Straight into 90 right. Then fast straight. 30 right, fast. Keep left into 90 right. Oh, it's nothing like. Jesus, straight into 90 right. Same straight into long 90 right, tightens. Long 90 right, tightens. Straight into 90 left. Tightens up. Into chicane right, left. Straight into very long 90 left. And it just continues left. Straight into caution, long hairpin right, open hairpin right, triple caution. Don't know how slippy it is. Then fast straight again. So you've got a 90 left, open slight right, and straight, square, 90 left, cap caution, into open, sorry, hairpin right. Jesus. Fast right, continues, hairpin left. So fast left, it continues left, continues left, keeps going, then it's going to straighten up and you're going to square right, square left chicane. So you do opposite, left, right, straight, then you're going a long hairpin left, hairpin left. Then it's slippy through the pits. So you're going to keep right first. Keep right, then left, then right, then left. Then square 90 left, right, square 90 right, immediate square 90 right. Square right. Square left to finish, then immediate left. Immediate square left. Oh, well done, Steve. Whew. That would not like what it looks like on here. Sorry, mate.
Trouble is,